In many everyday areas, we today hardly worry about correct refrigeration. We consume many products chilled. When it's hot outside, we sit in pleasantly air-conditioned rooms. We have come to take refrigeration for granted. You, as a professional, are aware of the level of complexity involved in refrigeration processes. In order to guarantee optimum refrigeration, loops, pressures, temperatures, and many other system parameters must be recorded and adjusted. Is your customer actually getting the promised refrigeration performance and efficiency he paid for? The use of analog manifolds for service and maintenance of refrigeration and air conditioning systems is widespread. However, this method is complicated and involves many sources of error. Reading off the pressures is difficult since the manometer display often fluctuates. Interpretation of the saturation temperatures, exact read-off of the tables, inaccurate time-consuming temperature measurement, and finally, calculation errors can also occur. The status of the system is never displayed in real time. You only ever see what's recently happened, never what is happening right now. The correct refrigerant filling quantity and the exact determination of superheating and subcooling are crucial parameters. If these are incorrectly adjusted, the system has higher energy costs and a lower refrigeration performance than originally intended. On top of this is a higher level of wear and tear on the components. The customer is dissatisfied because he has unforeseen higher expenses. You keep coming back to the system in order to solve the problem. This can even damage your reputation as an expert business. Various studies from the USA have concluded that up to 2/3 of all refrigeration systems are incorrectly adjusted because they've been filled with either too much or too little refrigerant. Consequently, the systems work inefficiently and are susceptible to damage. Analog technology. Time-consuming, complex, susceptible to error, inaccurate. Take the step into digital refrigeration and air conditioning technology. The electronic manifold from Testo takes care of all your important tasks. And it does it highly accurately, repeatably, without errors, and conveniently too. Filling the system is as easy as child's play. The display illumination helps you in dark surroundings. The digital manifold from Testo shows you the most important system parameters, superheating and subcooling in real time. No calculation errors, no reading the wrong line, no estimates. You immediately see what's happening. You can even see evaporation temperatures directly.
Wenn man die analoge Messtechnik genauer betrachtet,
if you look at analog measurement technology more closely, a whole range of possibilities for error are apparent, which in some can easily amount to a deviation of 20% from the real value which could be measured. A technician's toolbox without digital measurement technology is today no longer imaginable. Anyone wishing to build good, safe systems needs good measuring instruments and parameters in order to be able to set these systems up and put them into operation.
in Betrieb nehmen zu können.
You now need only one instrument to carry out your work. In addition to pressure, temperature, superheating and subcooling, the Testo 550 can be used for evacuation and temperature compensated tightness testing. The selection of 39 preset refrigerants increases convenience even more. Measure temperature and pressures in real time, calculate accurately, and simultaneously fill the system, all with a single instrument. That is the digital manifold from Testo. Fast, easy, reliable, precise. Move into the digital age and really work efficiently.